Can you send this video to mommy and daddy?
You're going to take it. This is the video that you're making to say goodbye to us.
Oh. Bye, Houston. Bye.
New York.
New York. I'll miss you, New York.
You're going to say goodbye to your trampoline.
Goodbye, trampoline. I have a new one. I have a new one in my house. Goodbye, TV. Goodbye, all TVs. I have some TVs in my room. What's in your pocket?
What?
Goodbye, trash cans. Goodbye, trash cans. I'll miss you. No, you make so great noise. Goodbye, table. Goodbye, chair. Goodbye, second chair. Goodbye, third chair.
Uh-oh, that's Daddy.
Goodbye, everyone. My dad's
Go ahead, go ahead. Go over there. Stay there. Stay. And that's your daddy coming. Be careful.